In today's video, I will walk you through how to hide your account from contacts in Telegram. While Telegram doesn't have one single setting called Hide My Account, you can limit how people find and interact with you by changing your phone number, last seen, profile photo, and other privacy settings. First, open up your Telegram and click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and drop down into your settings. Once that menu pops open, click on Privacy and Security. Right near the top of the list, look for the section labeled Phone Number and click on it. By default, Telegram usually sets this to Everybody. You're going to change that. Switch Who Can See My Phone Number to Nobody. And right underneath it, change Who Can Find Me by My Number to My Contacts. This stops random people or acquaintances from stumbling onto your profile just because they have your digits saved. Next, go back to Privacy and Security and check your last seen and online settings. Select this option and choose Nobody if there are specific people you want to allow or block from seeing this information. You can also review your username. If you have a public username, other people can search for that username and find your account. If you don't need a public username, you can remove it from your profile settings. And just like that, you are completely ghost mode on Telegram. People can only interact with you if you explicitly give them your unique username. If this quick privacy guide helped you out, hit that like button and drop a comment down below if you have any other desktop security questions. See you in the next one.